Bismillah, let me tell you a story that might just change the way you look in the mirror forever. It all started with a cupcake. Just one. Soft, sweet, innocent. My nightly treat. No big deal, right? Wrong. I didn't realize I was feeding a silent killer. Not to my heart, not yet, but to my skin. At first, it was subtle. A few extra breakouts, a dullness, I blamed it on stress or lack of sleep. But the real damage was happening deep beneath the surface. Because sugar doesn't just make you fat, it ages you fast. Here's what they don't tell you. When you eat sugar, it enters your bloodstream and attaches to proteins. This nasty process is called glycation, and it produces toxic compounds called advanced glycation end products, which if you abbreviate that is AGEs. It ages your skin, and these are skin assassins. They latch onto your collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful, looking young. Then they twist, harden, and destroy them. Collagen becomes brittle, elastin loses its spring, and your skin, it wrinkles, it sags, it dies, slowly and painfully. But wait, it gets worse. Sugar is an inflammation bomb. Every sugary snack sets off alarms in your immune system. Your inflammation surges, and with it, acne, rosacea, puffiness, dark circles, redness. Your skin becomes a war zone. It's inflamed and broken, exhausted. Still, I didn't connect the dots. I spent hundreds of dollars on creams, facials, LED masks. I drink collagen powders, slathered on retinol, but I kept eating dessert every single night. Until one morning, I looked in the mirror and I didn't recognize my face. My skin was sagging like a wet tissue. My eyes, they looked sunken. My cheekbones, hollow. Wrinkles that weren't there last month had taken up permanent residence. My glow, completely gone. That day, I saw a dermatologist. I expected some miracle fix. Instead, she said, "You need to quit sugar, now." I laughed. "You mean cut back?" "No," she said. "Quit, or your skin will keep dying." That word, dying, hit me like a slap. I went home and dug through research, desperate for some answers. What I found horrified me. Sugar doesn't just age you. It shrinks your skin's blood vessels, chokes off the oxygen and nutrients your skin needs to repair. It dehydrates you. It damages your gut microbiome, leading to more breakouts. It triggers insulin spikes, which increases oil production and clogs your pores. And worst of all, it slows down wound healing. That's why those acne scars never faded. That's why every blemish lingered like a bruise. So I did the unthinkable. I quit sugar. Cold turkey. Day one was awful. I had headaches, cravings, mood swings. My body shook. My brain was fogged. But I stuck with it. And then something miraculous happened. Please take a minute to like and subscribe. It will really help support the channel. Thank you. Week one, the puffiness started to go down. My eyes looked brighter. By week two, my breakouts stopped and my skin, it felt smoother and calmer. By week three, people started asking if I'd done something. I had taken my face back. And by week four, my skin glowed. Not oily, not shiny, but truly radiant. It was alive again. It was firm, clear, smooth, real. I learned the hard way. Sugar was never sweet. It was poison, masked in pleasure. A destroyer disguised as dessert. So the next time you reach for that candy bar, remember this. You're not just feeding your sweet tooth. You're starving your skin. Ditch the sugar and take your skin back. If this story sounds like you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.